Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to sign in on your Amazon account. So first of all, go to any browser you want and search amazon.com. Once you've done that, on the top right you can see hello sign in accounts and list. Hover your cursor over it. Once you've done that, you will see this pop-up window. Click on sign in. Once you've done that, enter your email. After that, click on continue. Once you've done that, input your password. And once you've done that, click on sign in button. After you've done that, it might ask you to add a mobile number. I'm gonna click on not now. You can go ahead and add your phone number. Once you've done that, congratulations, you have successfully logged on into your Amazon account, as you can see. And thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload like this.